Excel's protected view is meant to keep your files safe, but sometimes it goes overboard, even blocking perfectly fine files from opening. If you're seeing the error, the file couldn't open in protected view, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest fixes to get you back on track. Let's dive in. Protected view is a security feature that stops suspicious files from running automatically. But sometimes, it gets a little too protective. Open Excel, go to File, then Options. Head into the Trust Center and open Trust Center Settings. Click Protected View, and you'll see a few checkboxes that control when Excel blocks files. If you're sure your file is safe, try unchecking one or more of these boxes, especially the ones that say files originating from the internet or unsafe locations. Once you apply that, restart Excel and try opening the file again. Sometimes it's not Excel's fault, it's Windows tagging your file as unsafe. Here's an easy way to fix that. Go to the folder where your Excel file is saved, right-click it, and choose Properties. At the bottom of that window, you might see a checkbox that says Unblock. Tick that box, hit Apply, and then OK. Now, try opening the file again. If it works, you've just cleared a security flag. But if Excel still gives you that protected view warning, let's move on to the next one. Alright, this one's a bit of a hidden gem inside Excel. If the file itself is slightly corrupted, Excel can try repairing it before opening. In Excel, click File, then Open. Browse to the file you want to open. When you see the Open button, don't click it right away. Click the little arrow next to it. Then choose Open and Repair. Excel will scan the file for issues and attempt to fix them automatically. But if the problem still shows up, maybe the file needs a deeper repair. Now, if none of those worked, there's a good chance your Excel file is actually damaged. In that case, you'll need a dedicated repair tool, and that's where 4DDig File Repair comes in. Just open the app, choose File Repair, import your broken Excel file, and 4DDig will automatically scan for damage and fix it for you. Once it's done, you can preview the repaired version and save it wherever you like. It's fast, simple, and works on multiple Excel files at once, perfect if you deal with a lot of spreadsheets. And now that your file's repaired, let's make sure this doesn't happen again. If you often open files from the same folder, like your work documents, here's a smarter long-term fix. In Excel's Trust Center settings, go to Trusted Locations. Click Add New Location, then browse to your main work folder. Once added, any file inside that folder will open without the protected view warning. It's perfect if you're working with shared files every day and don't want to deal with pop-ups again. But before you go, there's one more quick toggle you can check. Sometimes Excel just blocks editing, not the file itself. When you see the yellow bar at the top that says Protected View, click Enable Editing. If the file opens fine after that, then it's just Excel doing its job a little too carefully. And that's it. A few quick ways to fix the file couldn't open in Protected View issue in Excel. Start with the simple settings, unblock the file if needed, and if nothing works, let 4DDig File Repair handle the heavy lifting. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more quick tech fixes. See you next time.